B is 4, 7. And C is 7 minus 4. So try finding out, recall the formula and try doing. What's the formula? Yes. Do you remember the formula?
1 by 2 into x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket by 3 minus y1 plus x2 bracket y1 minus y2.
Yes, right. Very good, Mary. No, this is also calculated by. You are calculating directly with the formula or that cross multiplication method?
I'm using cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication, ma'am.
So 5, x coordinate top, y coordinate down. Then 4, 7, 7 minus 4 and 5, 2. Then cross multiply. So 1 by 2, first bracket, the first cross from left to right cross. 5 sevens are 35. 4 minus 4 minus 16. 7 into 2 plus 14. Minus 5 into minus 4 minus 20. Cross 7 into 7 plus 49 plus 4 twos are 8. Then 1 by 2, 35. This is minus 16 plus 14 is minus 2. 35 minus 2 is 33. Minus of 49 plus 8 is 57. Plus 57 minus 20, 37. So 33 minus 37 is minus 4. But this is the absolute sign. So when it comes out, it is plus 4 by 2, which is 2 square unit is the area. It's clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second step. I don't know, ma'am.
What?
Like the cross multiplication, how, like 8 and all, how it came. Like I didn't understand it.
What 8? Where is it?
Ma'am, like a minus 20 plus 49 plus 8.
Then cross this one, the reverse cross. 5 minus 4, 7 into 7, 4 into 2.
Okay, ma'am.
First from left to right cross and then minus left, right to left cross. Remaining numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, won't it be minus 2?
Which one? No, area how it is negative. That's what this is the sign, no absolute sign. So from outside absolute sign, only positive terms will come. So minus 4 will come plus 4. That's the reason this is not the simple brackets. These are absolute brackets.
Okay.
Varnika, once you have done 5 into 7, this straight cross, then minus you have to do this to this cross.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now it's clear.
7 into 7, 4 into 2.
Okay, ma'am. Since there were so many numbers, I just got confused. Now I understood.
Okay. So first left to right cross parts and then right to left cross. Find the area of triangle ABC. Width A 1 minus 4 and midpoints of the sides through A are 2 minus 1 and 0 minus 1. So here they have given, that is, you have to find the area of the triangle ABC. In that A is given and midpoints of the sides through A. Two sides from A. So what are those two sides?
AC and AB.
So this is A, B and C. Through A, two sides are there. One is AB and another one is AC. So midpoint of these two sides is given 2 and minus 1, and this, no, another one is given 0 and minus 1. And A's coordinates are given, that is 1 and minus 4. So you have to calculate the coordinates of B and C and then find the area of triangle ABC. So you have to use midpoint formula. So B's coordinates you have to calculate. Suppose it is x2, y2 and C is x3, y3. We have to use midpoint formula. So how to find out this? X2, y2, can you find out and tell me? 1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 2 and minus 4 plus y2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So 1 plus x2 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 3 and minus 4 plus y2 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. So B's coordinates you got 3 and 2. Then C's coordinates 1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 0, minus 4 plus y3 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So 1 plus x3 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to minus 1 and minus 4 plus y3 is equal to minus 2, y3 is equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. So these are C's coordinates, minus 1 and 2. Now find out the area of A, B and C only. Area of A, B, C you have to calculate. Try calculating and tell me.
I'm getting 4 square units.
No. Mhm.
Ma'am, I got 12.
12 is right answer.
Yes, ma'am, I got 12. But
12, yes, 12 is the right answer.
ma'am, when the positive number is there in that absolute bracket, it won't be negative, ma'am.
Yeah, positive will remain positive.
Only negative value.
Negative only will become positive because we need answer positive.
Okay, ma'am. Positive value will not be.
Ma'am, I got 12 square.
12 square units is the answer, right?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. What happened, Shambhavi? Where you done mistake?
Ma'am, I did some calculating mistake. I got 12.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. I'm getting 2 as the answer.
Yes, ma'am, I got 12.
Done, Mary.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I understood my mistake. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got minus 12 and minus 12, ma'am, but that,
Okay, fine. Minus 12. You done maybe. Is that the number right? The same sequence you have taken?
no, ma'am, different sequence.
Fine, that's not a problem. That's the reason it is absolute sign for kept it there.
Yes, ma'am.
You can start from any position.
Yes, ma'am.
If A 4 minus 6, 4 and minus 6, B is 3 and minus 2, and C is 5, 2, are vertices of triangle ABC. Then verify the fact that median divides the triangle. Median divides the triangle into two equal areas. So what you have to do is read the question first and tell me what has to be done.
Ma'am, I think you better midpoint between B and C, and then you join it and calculate the area of both the sheets if it's equal.
Yes. ABC is a triangle. You have to draw a median,
Is it right?
that is D. So these coordinates you have to calculate, and you have to show that area of ADB and area of ADC are equal. 4n minus 6, 3n minus 2, 5 and 2, and b. So these coordinates will be 3 plus 5 by 2, 8 by 2 is 4, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so 4 comma 0. So find out ADB's area and ADC's area and show that they are equal.
Ma'am, which question is this? I mean, is it from NCERT?
No. This is from RD.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for after that D, we have to calculate that. We have to prove that they have equal areas, no, ma'am.
Yeah, ADB and ADC's area find out.
We have to find the area, then the prove, ma'am.
What you want to prove? Read the question carefully, Ankur. What they have asked to prove?
Prove that the median divides that triangle into two equal areas.
That means what has to be done?
Find the area.
So,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, we have to find the D, this thing, no, ma'am.
What?
D coordinates we should find, no, ma'am.
I have already written, I think so, in front of you.
No, ma'am, but if it is not written in the question.
It is not given in the question. You have to find out that, and that I found out in the beginning only.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is the area of ABD 3 square?
No. Yes, right. ABD is 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 3 square units, ma'am.
Both of them?
Yes, ma'am, both.
Okay. Completed? Both of you got both the answers you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Three. Mary, you
Ma'am,
got
just
both
a
the
minute.
answers?
Ma'am?
You got both the triangle answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Vishnu Maya and Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
you got the answers or not?
We're
doing
it.
Still doing? Why this much time?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer?
What you got?
I'm getting 3.
Yes, right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the cursor is stuck for me, ma'am. I mean, I can't see anything other than the triangle. And
I'm not showing anything.
oh, okay, ma'am. Yes, yes. Now I can see.
Find the area of the triangles. NCRT question, please. Sir. Find out the area of first triangle.
Ma'am, is it 2 by 21 point something? Wait, yeah, 2 by 20 or something like that.
Ma'am, I got 21 by 2.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, 21 by 2.
Even I got 21.
21 by 2, everyone got.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes, ma'am.
the right answer then. Yes, 21 by 2 is the first answer. Second one.
Ma'am, it is 8 No, it is 32. No, 32.
Yes, it's 32.
Ma'am, 32.
Yes, right.
32, no.
Ma'am, is it 32?
Yes, right. Now the next type of a question, the second question of NCERT. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. What do you mean by collinear?
When they form in a straight line.
So if they are forming a straight line, they are enclosing any figure?
No, ma'am.
No. That means what will be the area? What will be the area formed?
0.
0. That's it. Because they are not forming any figure. They are not enclosing any figure. That means how are they forming any this one, area? Area of 0. If points are collinear, then they do not form any triangle. Therefore, area is 0. So consider the area of these 3 points is 0. Try to find out the area then. So it is area is equal to 0. So you have to calculate the area. 1 by 2 absolute sign, 7 minus 2, 5, 1, 3k, 7 minus 2. This is equal to 0. So this 1 by 2 will go other side. 0 in by 1 by 2 is 0. So 1 by 2 gone. Now only this part equal to 0 that we have to check, we have to solve that way. So it is 7 into 1, 7, 5 into k, 5 plus 5k plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 minus reverse cross 7k, 3 into 1 plus 3, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. This is equal to 0. Then simplify this. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 5k plus 1 minus 7k minus 7 is equal to 0. Open the bracket. 5k plus 1 minus 7k plus 7 is equal to 0. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. Then find the value of k here. Minus 2k is equal to minus 8. K is equal to minus 8 by minus 2, that is 4. So value of k is equal to 4. It's clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we solve the second one by ourselves?
Yes. If it is done, solve the second one.
Should we do the second one now?
Yes, do the second one.
Ma'am, is it 3, ma'am?
Yes, right, Shiru.
I'm 3.
Yes, it's 3.
Oh, I got the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the vertices given here are of the triangle, right?
Yes, these are the vertices of triangles. You have to find the midpoints of every side. No, wait, area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle, whose vertices are. These are the vertices of triangle.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the ratio will be 1:4, right?
Yeah, it is 1:4, but you have to show by finding area.
Ma'am, so first we have to find the area and then only we can, then again we should find the ratio, right?
Yeah, both the areas you have to calculate first. First calculate the midpoint midpoints, coordinates.
Okay.
And then find out the separate, both of them is a separate area, ABC, and that points are DEF if you consider. Then find the area of DEF.
Okay. And then find the ratio
Then find the ratio of those two.
of both the areas. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the second one answer, ma'am?
What you got?
I got -11, ma'am.
No, it's 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Check again.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, area of a smaller triangle is 1. 1
That's
square.
right. Yeah.
Ma'am, I got the areas is 1 and 4 only.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the ratio for the third one, ma'am?
Third, 1:4.
1:4, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm getting it as 2:3.
No, it is 1. What is the area of the DEF you got?
Ma'am, I got 2 square units.
It's 1. Half you have taken outside.
Sorry, ma'am?
Have you taken half at the outside the bracket?
Yes, ma'am.
Then also you got 2.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the coordinates you got? Midpoints?
Ma'am, ma'am, I'm getting 1/2 now. Ma'am, coordinates for midpoints I got 0, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 0.
Yeah, then area is?
1/2.
No. Inside the bracket, what you have got?
I got 3 minus 4.
3 minus 4.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll try it once again. I think I did some mistake somewhere.
The calculation mistake might be you're done. Check.
Yes, ma'am. I'll try it.
Mithun, you got the earlier answer, right? K value.
I think I did some calculation mistake. I'm solving the third one, ma'am. After the class, I'll look into it, ma'am. Again, I should do it.
Ma'am, I got 4 and 1, ma'am.
Which one?
The third one.
Third one. Yeah. DEF is 1 and ABC is 4.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, right. And the ratio it will be?
4:2. I mean,
1 is to
1 is
4.
to 4, sorry.
1 is to 4.
Ma'am, calculation mistake, ma'am. I got it now.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, third one is 1:4, ma'am.
Yes, it is 1 is to 4. If everyone completed third, then tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Should we do the fourth one or you will do, no?
I will explain first.
The fourth question is messed up.
Area of quadrilateral is given. You have to find out the area of quadrilateral. 4 vertices have already given. So, quadrilateral.
So we can divide it into 2 triangles.
Yes.
And
A,
then-
B,
and
C,
then-
D. Join AC or BD, anything one. Then you will be having 2 triangles. Then we have to find out the area of 2 triangles and add them. -4, -2, -3, -5. 3 -2. And always, whenever it is given, it is in order given. So first is A, B, C, and D always. Don't try to change the order. Otherwise, you will not get answer. Then find the area of ABC and ADC and add them. Four into 5, -4, -5, 20. minus 3 minus 2 plus 6.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the answer 23 by 2, ma'am?
I need to check. I don't have the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
4 into 2, 8. 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. 6 minus 6 cancel. 20 minus 8 plus 6, 14. 14 minus 15 minus 1. So it is plus 1. So this is 21 by 2 square units is the area of ABC. Now area of ABC. Half absolute sign minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 2, 3, and again minus 4 minus 2. 1 by 2 minus 4 into minus 8 is plus 8. 3 into 3 plus 9. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. 3 into minus 2 minus 6.
Ma'am, is it 28 square units, ma'am?
How much?
28.
20. I need to check. Let me check.
Okay.
13 minus 10 minus 22 plus 22. So this is 535 by 2 square unit. Then area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of ABC plus area of ADC.
I got
ABC's area
28.
is 21 by 2 and 35 by 2. So it is 56 by 2, which is 28 square unit.
I got the answer, ma'am.
Good. The last question I think so we have solved already. Leave this question. This will take time. Wait, we'll stop today.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, today's done. It will take time. It will take more than 20 minutes more for this question. So homework is fifth exercise, first 10 CBSE questions. Are you able to understand? Fifth exercise, first 10 CBSE marked questions.
RD Sharma, ma'am.
RD Sharma.
Ma'am, CBSE includes like that even exemplar also, or only CBSE?
There are only CBSE in the beginning.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 16th one.
Okay. Only
First 10 questions, yeah.
Ma'am.
And if you are able to solve, you have time, you want to solve the further level 1 questions, solve level 1 questions.
Ma'am.
Yes.
We should submit it by Monday evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Monday, not tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have time, that's I told you 10 questions compulsory are there. If you have time, you feel that is some of the students are facing that is I'm giving less homework, so they can solve more questions. of remaining CBSE questions, they can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And who don't have time, they can solve 10 questions minimum.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You can take it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,